this is Ebony. So I was just coming. We have completed the install. I'm here with my consultant. She is going to talk a little bit about how many Sisterlocks I have in my head, and kind of go from there. We have a couple things that we're going to cover. So if you want to go ahead and talk about how many Sisterlocks I have. And I am holding my phone, so hopefully my arm doesn't get tired.
So we counted and banded and Bantu knotted it up, and we came up with 510 locks. So this is like the average amount of locks. Usually it's anywhere from like 450 on up. But this is a pretty decent amount of locks for her hair. The density of her hair and the size of her head and all that stuff determines the amount of locks that's in anyone's hair. So everyone's hair is different. It just was that she came and her hair was enough for, 500 plus. So she has a pretty decent amount of locks, and it looks good. It looks decent, really decent.
Okay, so we're gonna do a look around, but I wanted to talk about a couple things because we did run into some challenges because my hair is not all black, as you'll be able to see once we bring the camera towards it. I do have some gray hair, and so as she was interlocking the hair, there were some challenges there was two challenges, one with the gray hair and then the other, and I'm looking down because I'm looking at my notes, the other were the split ends because I don't cut my hair. So she did have to I guess leave a little bit more hair out, and I will try my best to add pictures. I haven't been on the YouTube game for a while, so I need to get acclimated. I'll try to add pictures at the end so that you guys can see when I had my hair out how much hair is actually out. If you want to go ahead and do the walk around so that they can see. Yeah. Okay, so you see my head, 510 locks. It took us 33 hours, and I will say this, as you've probably seen other videos where they talk about bringing snacks and just being prepared. I feel like I was prepared. Wearing comfortable clothing and having snacks and things of that nature are helpful, but it doesn't prevent the fatigue, because we both got fatigued. It was just like, we want to get this done. But I mean, she definitely did an awesome job with charting the course. She was diligent. I mean, our breaks were like, what, 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes at most. I mean, she was very diligent. The first day, it was 7 hours. The second day, it was 12 hours. Next day, it was 12, maybe 13. Yeah, we might have went over.
It was only 3.
Yeah, so there you go. Well, I just wanted to share that with you. I don't want to stay on here too long, but I will be making more videos on the retightenings and just some of my experiences that I've had. I will say though, we got 98% of it done within the first 3 days, and today I do feel like it's itching a little bit. No pain, but definitely itching, and I think it just comes from, how if you have had braids before, and that like after a couple days from your hair being pulled into those braids, your scalp will start to itch. It's kind of that feeling. But yeah, more to come. So I'm going to get off here. I'm going to put like I said, the pictures towards the end. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box and we can kind of talk through those. And if you want me to ask my consultant anything, I will give those questions, forward them over to her. She is in the Radcliffe area, but she is going to be moving, I guess, within the next couple months or so. So if you have any questions let me know. I don't want to ramble. I feel like I'm rambling now. But thanks for watching the video. Have a good one. Bye.